Hi there, welcome to Business Hacks with Climber. Today, I'll talk about using YouTube to make your brand more visible. If you've been struggling to make your brand more visible, then this content is for you. Firstly, I'll tell you that no matter the industry your brand is in, YouTube is a great platform to maximize in any industry. I've discovered that a lot of people and brands do not know the power of YouTube. Hence, watching this video is an advantage to you. Now, here is how you can use YouTube to make your brand more visible. Number one, people watch video content. You will realize that you spend a couple of hours weekly or daily on YouTube watching big brands. It is because big brands have also discovered that YouTube is a great platform to get to audience like you. If big brands can use YouTube, why not you? Number two, everyone wants to learn or be entertained. One pure fact about humans is that we want to know things that seem mysterious to us. We want to uncover, we want to learn. This is a great opportunity for you to craft your content to appeal to them. No matter whatever you're dishing out or whatever your product is, you can craft your content to educate and entertain them to your advantage. Now, you might be wondering how you can start your own YouTube content. It's simple. First, you need to have a YouTube channel. And how can you do that? Just go to youtube.com, create an account, sign in, then you can create a channel. We will be making a video on how to create a YouTube channel. Once you create your channel, that solves the first part. The next part is how can you begin to dish out content easily from the corner of your room and not having to spend so much. We would also make another video on how you can go about that. This ends the content for today. If you're watching this, I would want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on post notification and follow us on other of our social media channels.